Hello, and welcome back to another cook with me. And today we have Reina with us.
Hi.
And what will we be cooking? What will you be cooking?
Jamaican curry chicken.
Fabulous. And Reina is gonna walk us through the ingredients she has for us.
We have onion, garlic, sprig of thyme, scallions, habanero peppers, ginger, pimiento, all-purpose, curry powder, potatoes, and
Fabulous. Yes, so we're gonna go in with our chicken. We're gonna braise in. When you're finished, you put it on the cover.
skin face down.
Yes. Go Chef Reina in the kitchen. Nice. So we want to have, oopsie dip.
Don't worry. You should ask Vivian because I always like fry things with no sugar.
Wait. We have a sexy chef. You know you have men who go shirtless. We have a sexy chef in the kitchen. I need to take notes.
Smells so good already.
So we wanted to get some color.
Okay.
And then when it has some color, we're gonna remove it, and then we're gonna
Saute it on.
yes.
And so much garlic.
How much garlic do you use?
I use like a lot of garlic in like pasta
Oh.
and curry as well. But I love seeing so much garlic.
Oh. Okay.
So
Good.
beautiful.
Yeah. So that's 8 garlic, and I crush them.
Nice.
And I add salt so it keeps it and not dries it out.
That's why. A little more or is that good?
Perfect.
Yeah?
Nice.
So yummy already.
You haven't seen anything yet.
Exciting.
Yeah.
This is a chocolate in that.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, one time I got.
Nice. So you're an expert.
I like cooking. I don't know how my expert I like it. I know, be careful. Fruit.
Yeah.
Getting a little crazy too.
Yeah. But nice. Ooh,
I know.
My lashes.
This is oil. This pan is very excited.
What I like about this pan though is that it controls the temperature where everything can be done evenly, cooked evenly.
Oh really?
You can put it there.
Yeah. Are you?
Yes.
So then the onion
Yes, we're gonna go in with the onion,
and the garlic.
scallion, thyme, everything we're gonna go in with so that everybody gets to know each other. Then we're gonna toss it around until it's
Brown.
not brown but more translucent. We don't want to burn the aromatics. Yes.
The thyme a little later.
Yes, the thyme goes in with the
Powdered stuff.
yes, the pepper and the ginger and the pimento. We're going in with yeah. Yes, fabulous. You know, some people can get left behind. Can leave some people behind.
I love it. Looking good.
Yes, looking amazing. So we're gonna go in with the chicken.
Right now?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh no, the curry. Ooh.
Curry? All-purpose? What is it? I don't think I've ever really used all-purpose.
We're gonna mix it around. No, last. Yes.
Wow.
So we are toasting it, and what this is doing is opening up the.
Wow. Gorgeous colors. Yes.
Want to go in with the meat?
Yes, meat first. Yeah, because now it's getting nice and pasty.
Yes. 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 Fabulous. Then we're gonna go in with our liquids. Nice.
All of it?
Yes. We probably need more, but let's see. Oh, fabulous. This is enough. And then the thyme.
Just like this?
Yes, all of it.
Maybe I'll tangle it just
Love it. Yes, get in there. Come on now.
Come on now.
Come on.
Whoa.
And then we are going to cover.
With this?
Let this simmer for 30, and then we're gonna go in with the veggies. Let's see what's going on. Smells good.
Oh, this is heavy.
Yeah, you can put it on the side.
Yeah, should I turn it over?
No,
Así está bien.
it's too much. No, here,
Right here.
because it's gonna stain the counter.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Powerful curry colors.
Nice.
Wow.
Nice.
Gorgeous.
Nice.
We're having a little bath. A little curry bath.
Now we're gonna go in with all the veggies.
Love it. Okay.
Ooh. Do you want to taste to see if
That's right. I should taste it first.
to see if it needs any salt, any pepper? Is it spiced nice, or is it just right? Ooh. What do you think?
I think it's just right.
Okay, I'm gonna trust you on that one. And the carrots as well.
Yep. Oh, so yummy.
We're gonna let this simmer for another 30 minutes until the
Perfect.
carrots are tasty, and then we are gonna prepare the rice. Yes.
You know, growing up, I never prepared rice.
So we're gonna check to see if we're ready. Ooh, look at that goodness there.
Beautiful.
Taste this, taste this. How is it? Spicy or not spicy?
Not spicy. The chilies are failing me today. I'm gonna put it in chilies now. Oh,
Yes, we won't chili. It's not spicy, but it's tasty.
it's tasty.
It's good. So we're gonna serve this with rice. This beautiful Jamaican curry was made today by Reina. And thank you. You're welcome. Thank you for coming. Thank you for also sharing your curry and your history, your story.
Anytime. It was a really great experience making it, and I'm excited to taste it.
Yeah, so we're gonna eat and we're gonna take you along with that as well. This is the curry that
Perdón, es que mi bolsa era muy
prepared.
peluda, entonces por eso mis chilies tampoco peludas.
Ah, no.
Arroz.
Igual yo las ando tocando por eso.
Como Fermi, ¿no? Fermi chila.
Igual nada.
Full day with these beautiful ladies. And we're gonna end on a note always. Stay positive, think on possibilities. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.